Hello guys, welcome in today's video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to draw a rhinoceros using the charcoal. And by the way, I'm going to combining charcoal and pastels, so hope you're going to enjoy it. Yeah, let's just jump right into it. Alright folks, let's get started. Now, in any kind of a charcoal drawing, there's some set of procedures you must can include, and it's just like making sure you start with the darkest values, then you're gonna try to build up from there by adding the midtones and finalizing with the highlights to give it a little details sort of thing. Yeah, while you're making your shadows, just make sure you avoid going off proportions and try to enjoy the darkest values and the way they come. Try to make sure to be accurate to your proportions and try not to go off proportions. Yeah, that's about shading. And after finishing shade, well, you have to start adding the midtones. And here's where things start getting a lot of fun, because here's where the drawing starts getting its three-dimensionality, because there's a little contrast of the lights and the shade part. Talking about the light and shade, we have to include our background, and I'm not just adding the background randomly, trying to make sure I'm adding the background according to the value of a specific placing or subject. If it's lighter, I'll add a little darker background. Yeah, that sort of thing. Well, backgrounds makes your subjects pop out a little bit. Yeah, that's gonna help. And finishing with the background, I'll finalize it with a little details, tweak some values here and there, and the very final details, I'm going to preserve my white for the highlights. And that spark of light gives a three-dimensionality look to be, well, realistic. And that's where things get fun. Well, in adding your highlights, you must ensure you're adding to make it real and believable. Because if you add in a wrong place where the form isn't even correct for that specific highlight, you've gone wrong. You messed up, but try not to do so. So try to add the highlights in the specific areas. Alright. That's all for today, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Press the like button for me if you do so. Subscribe to get notified in any of videos coming soon. And yeah, see you in the next one.